have no pistol ammo, so I can't.
Entry team, this is Talk.
Civilians bleeding out.
Supposed to have
Talk
an
to
AR
element.
against AR versus shotgun. Which would win? Yeah, it was a long range.
Put your hands up and get down!
No, you don't understand. Okay, don't shoot.
Police, don't move!
Quick, I'll tell you everything.
You have an obvious civilian DOA.
I don't want to get shot,
Hands
okay?
up!
Notifying medical.
You're not in trouble, don't worry.
Civilian restraint.
Civilian ready to go.
Somewhere. I think we went to the same school.
Turn around, don't get up.
Get down, don't reach for anything!
Entry team to Talk.
Continue with objectives.
I don't want you hurting me or my partner.
Sam, did you shot?
They
Civilian
shot the
restraint.
manager. I didn't know what to do.
Lead to Talk. Civilian secured.
Oh,
Lead, this is Talk. Send him our way.
Talk. One obvious DOA. Civilian.
Talk to entry team.
Go, alright? I can't go back to the bin.
Got them all set up. Elements, talk. Suspect ready.
This is Talk. Trailers are ready.
Up and good to go. Talk. Suspect secure. Ready for pickup.
Talk here. Trailers inbound.
Hands in the air!
It's hard shit out there, man.
Get that.
Just look at the road.
Civilian is
Asshole shit kicked me a couple of days ago.
Civilian's ready.
Evan.
Element,
Why are
this
you
is Talk.
shooting? I'm trying to help. I'm trying.
First time I've been picked up.
Someone's in the restroom hiding.
Those guys were trying to kill me. You think I can see?
Evan, that was me.
What you see?
Sam, that was me. Sam, that was me. You want to feel the pain?
You fucked up big time, dog.
Surprise and bag.
You're not gonna last out there, man.
Surprise in the back.
Drop your weapon.
Protocol.
Talk to element. Trailers en route.
Keep your hands behind your backs. Suspect cuffed and secure. Entry team,
Element, this
one
is
cuff.
Talk. Great
Compliant.
job, entry team. Come home for debrief.
What's that do?